All right, I'm about to fill up my F-150 Luray. I have about a quarter tank of gas. See how much it's going to actually take. So I have the gas. I'm going to begin fueling now. I'm going to go ahead and watch how much fuel it takes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start pumping. It's pumping. Let's see where it goes at right here. All right, so it's going up. It's about $1 right now. Gas prices right now are about $2.79 per gallon right here. Well, look at it, it's going up. All right, I have about a quarter tank of gas. Let's see how much gas I have to put in. How much is it going to cost? We're coming up on $10 right now. And this is a big truck. Look at the 22s. I don't know how big those rims are, but they're pretty nice. Nice looking car. We're going up. We're already at $14. We're at $15. We're approaching $20 and only about 6 gallons of gas in the Ford F-150. We're going up right now. Still pumping. You see that pumping action going on. It is going as fast as it can. We're coming up approaching $22 and approaching, getting close to 10 gallons of gas so far in the vehicle. I wonder if it's going to reach all the way up to 100. I doubt it, but it's a possibility. Let's see where it's going. It's at $10 now, or excuse me, 10 gallons, 11 gallons, only about $31 going in right now. A quarter tank of gas, and it's going up. My hand is starting getting a little tired because this is a lot of fuel that I'm putting in my Ford F-150 Barat. All right, so it's going up about $40, 14 gallons of gas. That is a lot of gas going on in this vehicle right here. And see, this keeps on going up, going up, going up. So here, the gas still being pumped. I'm not sure exactly why it is not full yet. This is one big tank that I have going on right here. 29, 49, $50.44 to fill up the Ford F-150 Barat. Put this back into place. It's going to print my receipt. Go ahead and close gas cap. It says printing receipt. That was quite a lot. So that is the total. I had a quarter tank of gas going here. I put in 18 gallons, just a little bit over 18 gallons. Cost me $50.44. All right.